Welcome guys back to Street Build Garage. Today, I know it's already long time that I haven't uploaded a video. I don't think I'm gonna put the second part for the coilovers for the Rusty because I lost my phone and I had the videos there. So yeah, guys. Today we're gonna be working on the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. We're gonna be uh, replacing the springs, no, not springs, the shocks, guys, shocks. So today we're gonna be working on the Jeep. uh, this Jeep is gonna be, well, actually it's my daily driver for the family. So yeah, guys, keep it tuned if you want to know how to change your shocks from your Jeep. Starting by removing the tire first, and then we're gonna be taking, I don't know, can you see, 4 bolts from the shock. Probably might have to be removing the fuel box. So I'm not gonna be recording, I'm just gonna be recording pieces of how me taking out the shocks. So yeah, guys, keep it tuned, man. I already took the bracket that goes there for the fuel boxes. It's this one over here. This one right here. This one goes like that. On here. You just need to be real careful. Need to be real careful. This one was already broken. So you have two screws right here, a screw right here, and another one right here. It's a 10 millimeter. And how you take the boxes from the fuel boxes, it has a little lock here. So you have to pull it back and then pull the fuse box up in order to remove it. It's not too complicated. Okay, I already took it off. I already took these 2 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to take those 4 bolts out. But after you do that, first you have to take the tire, like I said, and then you move all the stuff from there. And then you have to take apart first this one right here in order to just move forward. So because you have to take this whole thing, with the shock, everything, so you have to take it together so you can, so in order so you could change it. Let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I already removed the shock with the spring. So like I told you, you have to take this bolt out and you have to hammer it out because it's kind of hard to take it out. It goes right here, and you have to take this one out too. So while you're using doing this kind of job, you have to be using 2 jacks. So in order to take out the spring with the shock. So right now I'm just gonna show you real quick the shock so you can see. It's right here. That's the old shock. It's fucked up. The only reason why I'm gonna replace them is because when I'm driving, it's a lot of squeaky noise. It's like the old Fords, when the suspension they're not that good, and you hear a lot of squeaky noises and stuff like that. So right now I'm just gonna take out this bolt right here, so I could remove this and then take out this bolt from the top, so I could be replacing the shock. My truck, the Jeep, I lowered it the Mexican style, so that's why you see the springs right here, they're touching, because it's a Mexican dropped. So the springs, they're not gonna pop out like the original. So if you're gonna do this to your original Jeep and you have your springs are they're not heated up, you need to be real careful because those fuckers are gonna go, man. So you need to put something like on the bottom in order so they won't go so fast. And this is the new ones. I got them at eBay for $50, both of them, driver and passenger side. I already did the passenger side. It's gonna be the same thing as the driver side. The only difference is that you have to take out this, and then there's only one bolt for the water, for the anti-cooler water, the reservoir. It's right here. It's a 8 mm. You take that one off, and this one, I don't know if it came with it or not, but this one didn't have it. So you just take it out, and then there's the 4 bolts in order to remove your spring. So let me replace that real quick, and then I'll get back with you.